In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subitems in Monday.com, a fantastic tool for project management and team collaboration. We'll be walking through the step-by-step process, so even if you're new to Monday.com, don't worry, I've got you covered. So let's dive in and transform how you organize tasks in your workflow. First off, you'll want to log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific board where you'd like to add sub-items under a particular task or item. This is where all your main project tasks are laid out, and sub-items can really help you break these down into more manageable steps. Next, find the task where you want to create these sub-items. Simply hover over this task, and a handy little plus icon will appear on the left-hand side of the row. It's your gateway to adding more detail to your projects. Once you've spotted that plus icon, click on it. You'll see an option pop up to add subitem. When you select this, a subitem panel will automatically expand directly under the parent item. It's a seamless process that allows for streamlined task management, breaking larger tasks into smaller, actionable pieces. Now, let's personalize those subitems. Give each one a pertinent name or step title that offers clarity on what needs to be done. You can enhance these subitems by adding various columns to track different aspects of the task. For instance, a status column helps you keep an eye on progress for each task step, while a due date column allows you to set deadlines for individual subitems. You can assign each subitem to different teammates using the assignee column, making delegation easy and transparent. Additionally, a priority or tags column lets you categorize these subtasks based on urgency or project sections. Once you've set up your first subitem, don't stop there. Continue adding as many subitems as you need until your entire parent task is thoroughly broken down. This method is excellent for complex projects. For example, if your parent task is launch campaign, your subitems might be write copy, design graphics, and schedule posts. Each subitem represents a crucial step in the overall project, making sure nothing slips through the cracks. Handling your subitems is straightforward. You can easily collapse or expand them by clicking the arrow next to the parent task. This option is great for keeping your board clean and organized. You can update the status, adjust deadlines, or reassign people for each subitem separately, providing a dynamic and flexible way to manage your team's workload and ensure every detail is attended to. So, there you have it, a complete guide to adding and managing subitems in Monday.com. By breaking projects down into subitems, you can enhance productivity, improve clarity, and maintain control over every part of your project. Thanks for watching.